with truth and facts. Big up.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
So Vendetta boss represent fully.
People are gone. You don't know, you know. Yeah, man, you don't know. One media facts pan up, man. You see it. So, people, you don't know. Yeah, man, you don't know all road to Mobay. You don't know Dream Weekend, you know. Yeah, man, we straight to Mobay we are drive go, you know. You understand? Yeah, man, so, people, you know, say, yo, safe journey to Montego Bay. You see it. You don't know. Police are going to on the road, you know. You see me? So you have to just know what you do. You see it? Yeah, man, them always depend the toll, them, man. Even Ochi toll, so when you know all of the Jamaican people, them, you don't know today, Alkaline and Governor. You see me? Yeah, man, so make sure, say, when you get on a power bank, you know? Make sure you think govern, drive safe, no drinking and driving. You understand? Yeah, man, no drinking and driving, man, you see it? You don't know Alkaline live and thing and, you know? It's not gonna normal people. You don't know a Dream Weekend. You see, them have a couple more nights, but I think are from the 31st to the 3rd or something like so. Yeah, so open and enjoy yourself, people. You see me? Yeah, man. So this are from, you don't know, from Kingston to Mobay. You see it? So now for just take on the time drive on the road. You know? Take on the time drive on the road, people. Cause you don't know. You have to just know, say, yo, at the end of the day, we're there in our country and we are support dancehall same way. Is it? Yeah, man. Support dancehall. You don't know the Vendetta boss about their lives. Because you don't say Mobay, I gotta be like a new venue for Dream Weekend. You don't know them over the years, them usually in a Negril. So them first I go keep them event in a Montego Bay, you know. You see me? You don't know. It's not normal, people. Is it? Nah, normal, man. Me I tell you. Dream Weekend out loud. Yeah, man, cause you don't know. The girls them a forward out in them bikini. The gangster them. Yeah, man, the gangster them a go out, man. You see me? All of the Beamer them, you see me? The Benz them. The Range them. The Lamborghini. Everything. Jamaican loud, man. You see it? You don't know. The party start from, I think them say, from 10 p.m. to 4 o'clock in the morning. You see me? You don't know that go already. I think last night, them keep a little, and we keep a event last night. You see me? Some bikini thing them they keep, a bikini party, so. You know, in a normal, yes, I think, yeah, from the 30 to the 3rd, something like so, yeah. So people, you don't know all of the Vendetta people, them, you see me? And all of the dancehall lovers, them as well, we are going to see the artists, them, you see me? Yeah, man. So, you know, everybody a roll out Dream Weekend. Summer, people. Remember, you know, the sunscreen, everything. Make sure you don't have everything right. Make sure you on the vehicle straight. You see me? Yeah, man. Make sure you on the vehicle straight. Everything good on the spare tire. All of these things I forget. Cause remember, you know, from Kingston to Mobay, this, you know. You see me? Non-stop. You see me? And I like, yeah, fly in from Mobay airport and you're good. All who got Dream Weekend from Kingston, get the thing straight. Yeah, man, get it straight, man, because you don't know anything set already. Don't know one media fax pan up. You see me? Yeah, man. How this? Thing you dep on Mullines Road there now. You see me? Yeah, Mullines Road there now, there now. You see it, people? You know a tanker for full up. You see me? Yeah, man, the tanker for full up, man. G traffic hectic. All road to Dream Weekend live. Governor and Alkaline. You don't know Alkaline headline the show. You don't know. Big artist. When I'm supposed to see Alkaline over the years, I do him thing. You see me? My shell down cup of party. You don't know another year. I'm shell down Barclays Center. You see it? That youth here, him just approve the haters wrong all the time, people. May I tell you? I prove the haters wrong all the time. Can't stop. In a every little thing, the youth name in the conversation. You see me? It's like, Him name can't fall out of the conversation. Every little thing. Every season. Me I tell you. You see me? Every little thing the youth name in the conversation same way. So I just one of them thing the people. You see it? Me I tell you. Yeah man, cause you know a long time them a try to stop the youth, but them can't, you know, them can't hold back the youth, me I tell you. Gonna lead. You see it? Gonna lead. The youth just stay silent and just focus on the music and just do him thing. You see me? But as me say people, no drinking and driving. So when you dip on the toll, trust me. Yeah man, right now we dip on the boulevard, so una have to just do una look at thing and just watch how una drive and them look at thing there, you see me? Una want to hear no body a lose them life and all of them look at thing there, cause you see me? Una like hear them thing the people. That Jamaican now go, you see me? Yeah. You know it a go load. Just stay safe. You see me? Try getting in a problem with the police them cause I know them stay ready. You see it? I know how the police them stay ready. You see me? So make sure say when tire them good, the gas tank full. Just know say yo, papers up, insurance, registration. You see me? Cause you can't go. Jamaican and make police there stop you, you know. And make sure say first of all, make sure say you don't have some little side money for the police them in case. You see me, when I want to get out of situation. Cause yo, when I worst thing, you know, I drive go Mobay and you get stopped by police, you know you work with that time, you know. When I worst thing people, and let me tell you this. You see tomorrow, them a go out enough, so look out for them. Me I tell them I dep on the toll. You see me? Yeah man, I dep on the toll, man. Me I tell you that so. I just one of them thing the people. Yeah man, so. Not for just do nothing people, you see me? I just don't want to hear no sad news about nobody. You know? Crash and all of them look a thing there, you see me? You don't know they on Mandela Highway, you know? Get it going, me I say sun hot. Sun hot people. You see it? So I just one of them thing there, man. You don't know Alkaline go live in the place and I do him thing. You see it? So just make sure say people when I get in the thing straight. You see me? Cause nothing normal, me I tell you. I'm not normal people. You don't know what they pan the watch it all you know. You see me? Yeah man, they must speed, man, them not ease up off the road in the dog. I tell you, you know. If you just watch what you do, you know. Is it? Yeah man, if you just watch what you do, people. Not normal. Watch how now speed and meter burn up, you see me? Yeah man, you don't know who come off I told you don't know what the discovery be, you know. Is it? Yeah man, we are past. We are past Knoxford this go around. You see me? Yeah man, we are going close to Chilani here now. I don't know what thing said. Is it? Yeah man, we're not Chilani now, we're going easy. Is it? Yeah man. Close to Mobay here now. So we reach. Yeah man, so. You don't know the things with people. I just one of them thing there. You see me? Yeah man, me have to clip in because we some people are talking, you know. You see me? Yeah man. Yeah, some people talk a bag of thing about the artist, but you don't know the thing set we are just certain little thing. You don't know. Nah, Mobay, you know. Is it? Mad thing. Yeah people, so make sure you sound just stay safe, yeah man. Yeah man, big up. You see me? Yeah, you don't know media facts. But you have a couple clippings I want to show you what I want. You see me? Yeah man. So I just make sure so I get the people them say, yo, stay safe, drive safe, dream weekend loud. Alkaline and Governor tonight. It's not normal. Yeah man.
Then chat, what? What is going on the internet? You not gonna tell me say so over your face, Steve? No man. J Progress are with them. Whoosh, whoosh.
Me really and truly want to ask the question, yeah, and it's a question I did have to ask myself when me rep the Gaza and a blog for the Gaza. I ask myself, say, youth, Why you burn out Alkaline? And every now and then me used to do a good review about Alkaline even when me a rep the Gaza, you know. Cause me just could have never see the reason why me a burn out Alkaline. Like Gaza fans, why would you eat Alkaline? We never truly ask yourself that question there. Think about it for a second. Alkaline start out in the industry, right, as a young little legend. Them say Alkaline thief Vybz Kartel style and Vybz Kartel pattern. Me never see Vybz Kartel come out and say him tattoo him eyeball yet. That was Alkaline's signature entry in the dancehall. The black eyeball when him say a tattoo and we later find out say a style thing. You hear me say? Vybz Kartel never tattoo him eyeball yet. So how is it that Alkaline thief Vybz Kartel style and pattern in the industry? Alkaline and Vybz Kartel have a total different flow. So really, why did we eat Alkaline and why is Alkaline eating up to today? Why? Because Alkaline never give Vybz Kartel no credit which him think and knows that Vybz Kartel no deserve from him because him not take nothing from Vybz Kartel. When I was at the Gaza, I was banking on that and I say, Alkaline, you know say you copy Vybz Kartel style and ray. That because me I rep the Gaza. And that's how the Gaza program go. Yeah, if you don't say what the Gaza say. Whether you feel it wrong or right. But when you really make it like, why the Gaza really eat Alkaline? Alkaline and the Gaza never have no prior connect where them have a reason like him betray somebody or do something. Alkaline come in the music and him do this pan him one. Him never get no strength from no man. But I'm tell you where the problem is. Alkaline come in intelligent and with brain and with intellect. And him apply that to his music and him own style. And he was seen as a competitor. And everybody who is seen as a competitor to Vybz Kartel need to give Vybz Kartel homage or credit, which Alkaline never did. And because Alkaline never give a man homage, which him think him never deserve, because Vybz Kartel benefit Alkaline in no way. And Alkaline know that. Because of that reason, they eat Alkaline. Is that reason enough to eat a man because he didn't give a man credit which he thinks that man don't deserve? Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Ask yourself if real, man. Why you eat Alkaline? Jaja no.
Yo, I did not believe I would, me, Katie, did not believe I would live to see the day when a fully blown Gaza supporter, Gaza vlogger live to say this. And the man literally, I confess, listen, I had no problems with Alkaline or anybody who did not say Gaza. It's just, it comes, it's a sub-contract when you pledge your allegiance to Gaza. You have to burn out everybody. And when them not deserve the burn out. Me I said, John, sir, my God, it is really refreshing to see this. It is real. Listen, the Gaza ship has sunk and they done a bikini bottom with SpongeBob, Mr. Crab, Patrick, all of them under the sea settings. Yeah, bin sink. Honestly, them you just have some people out there who just don't want to let go. Or when them see the proof in them face, I slap them left, right, and center. Them don't want to admit. So listen, nobody is there anymore saying that, you know, a one man, I hold it up like Atlas. What literally have the ship on the neck, I try bring it. Him alone, and listen, it is very embarrassing. I'm gonna just sit down and say, boy, it is honestly satisfying to see people just admit what you knew all along. It is honestly satisfying. But as what the man say, God and time. God and time. Hey! Yo, the man I get beaten from. When say tall belt, yo, the man, nobody can tell me say J progress and then put a eye jump in at it. Rascal, man, that people didn't.
For a little bit. Stop the gimmicks and the
unnecessary argument. Make it make sense. You're in America on a work permit. Looking about a next work permit right now. Why wasn't Sean Storm on the work permit? You had problems in America. Sean never have no problem in America. Sean's supposed to easier to get a visa or a work permit more than you. So how you get a work permit in America and Sean get a work permit? No for no. I deny the fact and the logic. Sean did an advertisement party in America one year. Say him I go end up come America. Obviously, the work permit then the work. It can't work when the whole embassy say, I get Charles your boss. So how you depend on that work permit there? Want to the work permit you should depend the heavyweight work permit. You don't want Sean run you. You hate Sean. You like Matsus either. They may not deny because them have to depend on you. But me not depend on nobody. Me depend on God. And then my woman. So, may I ask you now, why wasn't Sean on the petition? If we can see with Matsus kind of a next charge or something like that. Why Sean never depend on the petition? Why Sean never depend on every show where he depend outside America? Since him now have no permit. You tell the people them say, when Sean there England and go up on wireless festival with you, and never you make Sean there England. Sean just hold it and act like a you. As some of my said little bridge in them in England, book Sean for some little show about the place. And Sean and Mooney there in England. And them just get past to come stand up with you at wireless festival. And never you make Sean up there. You don't care about Sean. And this man set up Sean against him, just call you out for who he is. And Sean now come tell nobody say never you care about England. Everybody, oh, see the boss girl Sean or England with him. That's a lie. Sean was there before him reach. And Sean did about 2 weeks after him left. Or 3 weeks. So how you deal with Sean, so? Can I tell you something we probably only never know? And all of them brief brigade, the vlogger here, where decried Gay Charles Dick, because I look too lion and too whale, and I look a piece of money in our pocket. Only you know, say, during the 13 years, while they were locked away, did you guys know that Sean Storm was not where Cartel was, meaning in the same cellar on the same block? Only you know, say, Sean Storm was down by a different SP from where Gay Charles is there. Guess who always was in Gay Charles' cell? Every transfer Gay Charles transfer, he spend maximum money to make sure this person was in his cell. Gay Charles, you sure you really want to troll with me? You sure you want? Gay Charles, you sure you want to go up the hill with me? I have so much things to me can troll with from before you got prison, while you're in a prison, since you come from prison.
Yo, the man I get beaten from all angles, left, right and center. Indiana Jones style. Whoosh, whoosh.
Big up Future Fanboy, you know. And even though Vibes Cartel have more impact in the dancehall than enough artists, including Future Fanboy. However, Future Fanboy teach you something in 2026. So you can be yourself, and people love you, and give the platform, and say you run with it. Because right now, the dancehall Future Fanboy, the artist dancehall artist in the dancehall space now, locally and on the internet. But guess what? Him never lower him character, him never do certain things, forget the clout there or the attention there. While you have other dancehall artists, we have a bigger name and more impactful in the genre of dancehall. Them have to come out in a brief, forget the same attention we fanboy have. This for sure the youth them say, we don't have to do what enough idol do, or the people them want to rate, to actually create an impact. Because I see the man from nowhere just come just nice up the internet, and at the man at the moment now, And he always I go make people laugh and love him because I'm humor and in personality. That is just a listen to everyone on learn. Don't love yourself for social media, hype and cloud. Remember they can fire this in the dance all HR now. I know me not do what them do. Remember you want select to come out and tell you them to walk with the purse. And remember what me say, real man no purse. And remember me say, you can't see you're great and you're not straight. So big up Future Fambo. Our people understand the lesson and the message when we make sure we are crossing now. And money is not everything. We need money now because a tool to survive, but money is not everything. So don't make no trick now. If you feel like your money is money is not everything, but we need money though. Get to youth, work hard. Don't mind on a brief on the internet. Be a man.
Charge it. Charge it. For somebody who put money above everything, you should not have no time for this. Cause you say you're rich and you're the richest this and you're richest that and
if you bad mind people then, the haters them, see? The Vibes Cartel have a whole heap of house, a whole heap of car, a whole heap of money, lots. And that really burn the bad mind them. And that sweet me, oh fuck. Cause guess what? I'm unstoppable motherfuckers.
you know, you should not have time for them little vlogger yeah, and them little people up on the internet. What are you? What are you? Are you a TikToker or are you an artist? Because honestly, people with them kind of riches, yeah, as Bob Marley did say still, you know, and I'm only making rich, you know.
Have you made a lot of money out of your music?
Money. I mean, how much is a lot of money to you?
Yeah, that's a good question. Have you made, say, millions of dollars?
No.
Are you a rich man?
When you mean rich, what you mean?
You have a lot of possessions, a lot of money in the bank?
Position make you rich? I don't have that type of richness. My richness is life, forever.
And I'm only making rich. I do understand that some people tend to make money, dear God. So you see when people talk about God and time, what God are you talking about? Which God? Because they can be a lot of terms for what you may consider as a God. What you consider as a God, sir? Because every time may happen to see a controversy about you, your backlash is money. Money, Mr. Krabs, money. For somebody will claim to say them born over and you know them and give them life to Christ and you know it's all about money. Money is your riches, but yet still you seem to be very bothered with what broke people has to say about you.
People may need some richer haters. Haters them may have broke. So it's no fun trolling them. You know what I mean? We need some richer haters. But then again, rich people have better things to do with them time.
Bro, you have been in this thing for almost 25 years? Yeah, from a little picnic, he must sing. And I'm like, what, you're insecure or something? What, prison do something to you or something? You don't expect that people to criticize what you do. And this is why I will forever represent for the Vendetta boss. Alkaline, no business, but nothing what you have to say about him. That doesn't mean that he's not watching though. But he knows say, once you say that, what you did say, it can't rub out. So he knows, alright then you have an asterisk beside it. You think he might go come out and say, yo, I want some pussy. Nigga, you're supposed to be booked. Fully booked. Sure, yes, so this. Oh, you have time for everybody will have something to say about you. You jump on, I want some broke people. I need some rich people to eat me. Nigga.
Stop it. Get some help.
Bro, what's wrong with you? But I am happy, nonetheless, to see this. I love to see when the universe is working in my favor. And I'm here for it. But when I like chat, foot hype, you're not afraid. Come here. You're not afraid. Be careful. Cause remember you did say them did that try to hold behind you. Yo! Be careful. Yo, some things that the man yo. Yeah.